Hello guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to teach you on how can you actually set up the Facebook ads. Okay, so this tutorial is completely focused on lead generation ad, right? So today we are going to take the example of POS system. Okay, so we will understand this structure of the campaign in brief, and that too with a live example as well. So before I dive in, I request you guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel so that you can get future notification updates. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, yeah. We'll open this website. So this website is a live example today. Okay, so to set up the Facebook lead generation ad. Okay, so this is the point of sale system for cafe owners as well. All right, so we'll do that. Okay, yeah. So now do this, we will see the concepts first. So what is the first step here? You have to define your target audience. Okay, so here in this case is our target audience is cafe owners who are specifically looking for the POS system. All right, so let's create the campaign here. All right, okay, so I start with Facebook ads manager. Okay, yeah. So we will create the campaign. Okay, so I'm just going to set this up a basic structure. As I said, you will understand as well. All right, yeah. So now first thing, if you click on create option, okay, here you will have multiple campaign objectives, right? So you have objective of awareness, you have objective of traffic, engagement, leads as well, right? So if you're a new brand, okay, so I suggest that you first start your brand awareness campaign, then you start with engagement, traffic, and then you have to set up with the lead generation campaign as well. All right guys, so let's do the setup of lead generation today. Okay, so you click on leads and you click on continue. Okay, so here while you're creating the campaign setup, right, so you have two options, right? Okay, so one is, you can use the recommended settings, or you can do manual lead campaign, right? So what happens is, in the recommended settings, you can use the preset campaign optimization. Okay, so which will actually help you to achieve your goals. Okay, so in those preset settings you can include advantage plus you can use audience plus as well, and plus you can use all the audience manager setup as well. Okay, in manual setup, you can create a lead campaign from scratch using the standard setup. All right, so these are the setups here. All right, so now today we will understand the recommended settings here. Okay, so now we'll click on recommended settings. All right, so we'll click on continue. Okay, once you click on continue here, okay, so we will create the campaign here. All right, so let's take the example of campaign here. We'll say page POS lead generation campaign. Okay, so this is how it is. Okay, so now when you're setting up the campaign, right, so it's important that you should do A/B testing of ads as well. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so you can create the A/B test as well. Okay, so to do A/B testing, you have to create multiple ad copies, multiple ad creators as well. So today I'm going to just explain you the basic setup here in this particular campaign so that you understand. So but I suggest that you have to do A/B testing, and then we'll understand what is advantage campaign budget, right? So what happens is, like in advantage campaign budget, this will actually distribute a budget which is currently delivering assets to get more results depending on your performance goal, and this will depend on on your choice and bid strategy. So you can also try this option. Okay, you can control spending on each ad set as well. So I suggest you just put this on. Okay, so now let's say if you want to keep the campaign budget, your daily budget, let's say you keep it here as say 1000. Okay, so campaign bid strategy, highest volume. So what is this saying? Your campaign budget is too small, increase the budget to continue. So you'll say yes, let's say you have 3000 rupees. Okay, 30,000. Okay, so daily budget is set to 24 390% higher than the account average. Okay, so this is how we can set up the campaign budget. So if you want to use the advantage campaign budget, you can just put this on, otherwise you can put this off here. All right, okay, clear? All right, so now what we'll do is then we'll click on next option here. Now when you come on the next option, in Facebook lead generation ad, it will give you multiple options here, like which conversion option you want to select. So here there are multiple conversion options which you can select, right? Okay, so here you have website, you have instant forms, you have messenger. Okay, you have calls, you can directly get inbound calls as well. Okay, so we will discuss on the conversion option here. But understand guys, when it comes to Facebook ads, right? So the dashboard setup is just 10 minutes work, but what is important here is your targeting, then your ad creators, your captions. Okay, so here before you set up a campaign, so what is important here is your videos, your carousels, your images should be ready, and your caption should be ready. Once that is ready, so then you can start with lookalike audience as well. Okay, lookalike audience is pretty interesting, and this is going to give you more conversions. All right. Okay, so now let's go back to the PDF file so that we can continue further. Okay, so I have given the steps in this PDF, right? So you can actually understand. Okay, so we'll say as POS system for cafes, and then you have to define your target audience based on demographic interest and behavior. Okay, so now we'll go back here. Okay, so today we will take a different conversion option here, because in my last session we selected instant forms here, right? Okay, so now we will have a different conversion option. Okay, so today we will try to understand, we'll select the website option here. Okay, let's take website and let's see what happens. Okay, always keep on testing with different conversion options guys, so this is going to give you better results as well. Okay, yep, cool. Then if you scroll down here, so what happens is in website, what is very important is you have to set up the Facebook pixel. Okay, so that's very important, because whenever users are coming to the website or your landing page through Facebook ads, a pixel can actually track the users. Okay, so that particular Facebook pixel helper is going to help you in your retargeting campaign. Okay, so this is the extension guys you should install, Facebook pixel helper. Okay, you have to install this extension. It's called Metapixel helper. Okay, if I open here, so I've already installed this particular extension here. You see, this is called Metapixel helper. I have a lot of extensions here, right? So we click on extension here. Let's do one thing. So we have, so now what I'll do is, I'll open this website, pagepos.com. Okay, so what you can see here, Metapixel helper has access to this site. Okay, so you could see here Okay, so this has access to the site. That means Facebook pixel code is being integrated. Now, when you are creating a lead generation campaign, awareness campaign, right, or any particular campaign, so what is important here is you have to create a dedicated Facebook page for that particular business. Then you have to publish at least 5 to 10 social media posts in relation to that particular business. It could be an offer post, valuables post, marketing post, you can video post, whatever it's post. So here Metapixel helper is being integrated here. Got it? Yeah? Clear? I hope this is pretty easy to understand, guys. Okay? So this is the Facebook pixel here, which is being already installed over here, correct? So now it is telling me you can set up the metapixel. So this is already done. So if you install the metapixel, this will actually help you to set up the conversions. So you click on setup conversions. Okay, so here you have multiple options. You can choose the tracking method, track conversion with standard events, or you can track custom conversions here. So what do you mean by both options? Track conversions and optimize ads. Okay, for one of them using the 9 standard events. Okay, and this is track custom conversion, because custom conversion is something metapixel code. So ideally you have to track custom conversion. So this is very important. Okay, when you're using Facebook lead generation ad campaign. So that's called track custom conversion. So you have to add the parameters here. Okay, so this is the pixel ID which is being created. Okay, so include traffic that meets the following condition. URL contains what? So this is the URL. Okay, just copy the URL here. Okay. Okay, here you have multiple. This is URL contains, so, or URL equals. So we will change the condition here. So we will say URL equals space pause. Okay, then define the category. Okay, so category is what? Search, add to cart, add to wish list, right? So we want a category as lead here. Okay, so we want somebody to fill their information. Then you click on next option here. Okay, enter the name for the custom conversion. So what are the conversions? You can enter a description. So we can say here as name cafe owners leads. Okay, you can also set up a conversion value. You can set the value that each of the conversion is worth to you, so that you can track your return on ad spend. This is optional, or you can do it later as well. You click on create. Okay, now it is telling me error. Why this is error? Because the creation failed. So you have to set up a conversion value here. So if you want to set up a conversion value, you can set up a conversion value. So now what happens is your conversion value will depend on your target budget here, right? So what budget you're giving for the campaign. So ideally, let's say if your budget is say 2000 rupees a day, okay, so 30 days budget is 60k. So you can on 60, if your budget is 60k, correct? So based on that, you can keep it as 2000 rupees per conversion. Okay, yeah. Alright, so now it is telling me creation failed. Why this creation is failed? Because the logic is here, when you're creating a custom conversion, your Facebook pixel code should be integrated on all the pages of the website. So ideally what has happened, because when you are running a campaign, correct, so this particular Facebook pixel code is being actually installed on the index page, right? So if you are running a campaign on all the pages, means what? On specifically dedicated landing pages. So I wanted to explain you, if you're creating a custom conversion, your Facebook pixel code has to have access to the dedicated landing page. Alright guys, I hope this is clear. So I wanted to show you why the creation gets failed if you set up a pixel code. Okay, just setting up a pixel code on index page is not enough, because end of the day you want to send traffic on which particular page, that matters a lot, correct? So you have to understand that particular thing as well. Okay, clear guys? Okay, so you understood. Okay, so let's say if you are creating a dedicated landing page on say point of sale system, so definitely your Facebook pixel code has to be there. Okay, so because when you are installing the pixel code, make sure that you do not set it up on the entire website. So here what happened is Spaceforce has integrated the pixel code on the entire website, but no, because what happened is, see, Spaceforce has multiple pages, right? Okay, industries, integration, become a reseller. So they have set it up on the entire website. But logically, if you set up a campaign in the right way, it has to be there on the dedicated landing page. Otherwise, it will not be able to track the conversion. So this is how I wanted to give you an example on how this can be set up successfully. Okay, got it, guys? Any questions, any doubts? You can please ask me in the comments. Yeah. Okay. All right. So custom conversion, make sure should be there on the right page. Okay, then you can define the start date, then you can define your end date as well. Okay, date is 11th May. If you are setting it up, you can keep it for 1 week, 18th May. Okay, okay, you can define your location. Okay, so you can also definitely make sure you define your ad scheduling. So you have to find out your audience is active at which particular time, correct? So you need to know. So basically what happened is you can only get the data about your audience, right, once you set up a campaign for 1 or 2 weeks. Then just keep it up and just keep on watching how this is performing, correct? So basically you can do the ad scheduling. So that audience data, once you have it, then you can start defining the time, right? Okay, when is your audience most active, and define those time, and Facebook will show your ad to the audiences when your audience is active at that particular time. Okay, yeah, clear? So let's understand. So now this is telling me this date is in the past year, end date. So now we are going to make changes here. Reset your start date to today. Okay, so this is being reset here. All right, clear? So then location is done. Okay, so the parameters here you can set using advantage placement, but ideally I feel that there's no need to use advantage audiences. So I just want you to understand what is advantage plus audience, what is placements here, advantage suggestion. So you just see how this works. Okay, so basically in advantage plus audience, this is the option of custom audience here. Okay, so you can set up custom audience or lookalike audience here. Okay, so this is important. Ideally, when you're setting up a Facebook ads campaign, I will not advise you guys that you start with open targeting when you are doing a lead generation campaign, because if you're doing open targeting in a lead generation campaign, you are bound to get a lot of junk leads. So you should ideally start with lookalike audience. Okay, to have lookalike audience, you need to have database of your target customers. Okay, so once you have the database of your target customers, then Facebook will start showing ads, okay, relevant to your target audience, and that's how you are in a better position to get good quality leads from Facebook lead generation ads as well. Okay, so this is advantage plus audience. Okay, so lookalike audience and custom audience here. Okay, yeah. So how are you going to set this up? Okay, let's say click on lookalike audience here. So I'll show you in the next stage how to set up lookalike audience and custom audience as well. Okay, yeah. So then you can define the age. Your target customers come from which particular age. So let's say I say 25 to 59. All right. So you define genders as well. Okay, all genders, and then detailed targeting. You can do detailed targeting as well. Okay, because we are doing targeting, correct? So what happens is we'll say cafe owners. Okay, cafe shops. All right, so these are my interests, coffee houses. Okay, interest targeting. So this is one interest targeting. So I'm giving you options here how you can set this up. So ideally I'm going to explain you, one is open targeting. Okay, then I'm going to tell you about custom audiences as well, then I'm going to tell you about lookalike audiences as well. Okay, so this is the structure of the campaign here, so you understand. Okay, if you do open targeting, and you do custom audience, and you do lookalike audience. So this is only for the study purpose. But when you are starting a campaign, please start with lookalike audience only. Okay. Okay. So coffee houses, it will give you suggestions here. See, it will give you suggestions, right? Okay, because ideally, so let's say cappuccino, Starbucks, these companies will go for point of sale system. You can say Starbucks, espresso coffee houses, okay, cappuccino. But when you are doing interest targeting or behavior targeting, be very specific to your target audience, which audience segment you're targeting. Just don't try to go for bulk audience. Rather than going for bulk audience, go for specific audience as well. Okay. But friends, again I'm saying lookalike audience is important here. Okay. So to set up lookalike audience, you need to have the database of your target customers, so you can get it from a lot of service providers. Okay, when you're doing Facebook ads, lookalike audience and custom audience, very interesting, and you will get 100% fantastic results. Okay, so this, please keep this in mind. All right, yeah. So if you want to see the placement part, okay, so this ad set is using advantage placements here. If you want to do it, you can opt for placements as well. And click on next. Okay, so now we will go step by step here. Okay, yeah, just give me a second, guys. Now we'll go back to the document here. Okay, so now when you're done with the placements, okay, so now what is important is you have to upload your ad creative. Okay, so now you can upload the ad creative as well. All right, you select your Facebook page. Okay, if you want to connect your Instagram account, you can also do that. Okay, now you can do the basic ad creative here. Now let's say you want to add media here. Okay, so let's say we take the image from the website here for now. Okay, so we'll say here page pause. Add image. For now we will do testing with the image ads as well. Okay, click on upload. Okay, this is getting uploaded. And you are doing Facebook, Instagram, then Google is also doing AI integration as well. So with AI you can make your ads more effective. Okay, so just hang on for a second. So this is being done. All right, click on next. Okay, so now what you have to do is you have to select the media crop for placements. Okay, so what is the original document, how do you want to show in the ad format? Is it original format, or you want to show in stories and reels, or you want to show right column ads? Okay, that is in search results. Okay, so this is how it will show. Correct? Okay, got it. Click on next. Okay, so this is going to give you the preview of your image ad. So right now we are going to focus on image ad here. Then you click on done. Okay, so now we are going to study the chat GPT prompt for Facebook ads. So guys, this is very important, and I've already shared the document of ChatGPT prompts. Okay, so in case if you need the PDF guide on ChatGPT prompts or Facebook ads, you can please type your email address in the comments, and I will be happy to send you the PDF guide of ChatGPT prompts or Facebook ads as well. Okay, alright guys, clear everybody? Okay, so now we will definitely move forward. Okay, we open the PDF guide here. So now this is the ChatGPT guide. Okay, so now we will understand the prompt. Okay, so first is to create a catchy headline. So now we will understand the ChatGPT prompt here. Okay, so first for catchy headline. So let's take this particular ChatGPT prompt here. So first is copy this, open Notepad. Okay, so we'll say generate catchy headline for a new product, POS. So define your new product, POS system, which should appeal to cafe owners, okay, and emphasize profits for the business. Okay, just copy this, Control C. Yeah, go back to ChatGPT here. Control V. Okay, so here we have the headline: boost your cafe's bottom line with a revolutionary POS system, streamline operation, maximize profits. Got it? So now we copy this. Okay, yeah. So let's scroll down here. So copy this. Okay, so alright, so this is one. So we'll keep this as primary text here. So guys, today I'll tell you one more idea. You can use multiple AI tools so that you have varieties, right? Okay, so plus now this is going to give suggestions based on the content of your landing page. Experience the future of cafe management with a revolutionary POS system, right? So streamline operations, maximize profit, and boost your bottom line today. So this is how you can do A/B testing of the text variation, right? So let's add this. Okay, all right, primary text. So now this is also going to tell us one more variation: improve your cafe bottom line with an innovative POS system. Say goodbye to tedious manual process and hello to a smoother, more efficient way of running your business with our revolutionary point of sale system. You can effortlessly streamline operations and maximum profit. Experience the difference today. Okay, so just add this one more. Okay, so this is how it's done. Yes, got it guys? Yeah, so we have the image here. Okay, so experience streamline operation and maximize the profits. Add one more. Okay, so now we can add a suggestion of text variation. So now this is the power of AI, correct? So you can add the suggestion text variation as well. Okay, so this is how AI is coming into picture guys. So now you have to write a short headline here, correct? So now let me show you one more prompt here, right? So I'll go back here, copy the same prompt here. Okay, I'll just enter Copilot. Okay, so now I'll just copy the same prompt, generate 10 catchy headlines. Okay, just enter. Yes, this is the magic here. So when you're using AI, you should not limit yourself only to ChatGPT. You can use Copilot, you can use Gemini, you can use Claude. Okay, so this will have more better options for you guys. You can also use HubSpot as well, right? Yeah, cool. Understood, guys? Okay. So this session is becoming longer, so I'm going to summarize it in short as well. Okay, so I'm going to send you the document. Okay, so you can also use that as well. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's add that option as well. Pouring profits into your cafe, fuel your cafe business, viewing success with our boss. Okay, learn more. Okay, so now you need to add the details here, description, right? Yeah, so you can say here as maximize your earnings. So this is the USP here, correct? Just copy this over here. Okay, you can add description option, one more description you can add. All right, add one more. So see, this is how you can use AI. Okay, yeah, add one more. So this is A/B testing, correct? Which works better? Okay, add one more. All right, cool. Understood, guys? Yeah. So now you have to have multiple creators, so this is very important. Okay, because this is called advantage first creative. You have to tailor your ad for the person viewing it. Okay, so letting us know automatically optimize your creative, so this can actually help you to improve your performance as well, right? So this is turn on. Okay, just turn this on as well. Okay, all right. So now just copy this URL over here. Okay, display link, just show this here as well. Okay, so browser add-ons, people will see your website when they tap on your ad. You can see additional contact method in the browser, right? Okay, so now Facebook will also verify your ads. Okay, so browser add-ons, you can also add a browser add-on. You can add a call button on your website, you can add a WhatsApp button on your website or instant form. Okay, so this is what you can also do over here as well. Okay, so once you have done this, then Facebook will verify your changes as well. Okay, all right, yeah. So this has to be done on the back end here, right? Okay, so for now we will not add a button because we'll do at a later stage as well. Okay, so tracking we have discussed, custom event tracking. Add a Facebook pixel code on your dedicated landing page, and that will help you to track the conversions, and Facebook pixel will track these. Please make sure it should not be installed on the complete website. It should be on a dedicated page for which you want to run the campaign. Okay, so make sure that is being possible here, right? So tracking, you have to track events data that contains the conversions your ad might motivate. So there are data sets that contain the conversions which are selected for the ad accounts. Okay, so these are the website events here. Okay, so Facebook pixel is not active. Okay, so you have to make sure that your Facebook pixel is active, so you have to set the code properly. Okay, yeah, then once your metapixel code is active, definitely then you can publish the campaign here. Okay guys, so what is important here? So first thing, we'll again go back to Facebook ads manager here. Okay, so let's go to Facebook ads manager. So I want to show you some more important pointers here. Okay, just go back to ads manager once again. So you need to have a complete feel of the dashboard, right? How this is actually working. Okay, and understand one thing very important. Okay, once your campaign goes live, you have to do a lot of testings. You know, you have to do testing with the ad creative, testing with the targeting, okay, testing with the captions, you know, and mainly based on my experience, I'm going to tell you. So this is just a dummy campaign. I'm just setting it up, you know, so that you guys understand how this is done. Once you set your budget, but based on my experience, you know, Facebook video ad has given us fantastic results. Lookalike audience has worked wonders for us. Okay, along with lookalike, custom audience has also worked wonders. But once you're, if you are a new brand, you know, you're entering into the marketplace, you know, you cannot directly jump to lead generation. Okay, so first you have to start with awareness, then consideration, then traffic, engagement. Okay, so once Facebook has sufficient data about your campaign, then you have to jump to lead generation. So this is how this is being done. Okay, so this is the process, guys, you know, which I want to explain this to you as well. Okay, so now in the Facebook ad manager, okay, so if you, there are options here, right? Campaign, ad reporting, audiences. Okay, all right, then if you click on all tools here, okay, if you click on all tools, there are shortcuts here, right? So you just have to click on audiences here. Okay, if you click on audiences, so what you get, let's see. We are gonna have a lot of sessions here. So when you're in the audience section here, right? So first thing is you have to reach to the account setter. Okay, then from here you can create a custom audience, and then you can create a lookalike audience here. Okay, so this is how you can create. Again, as I said, custom audience, lookalike audience needs to have the access to the database. You need to have access to data of at least 20,000 users, right? Like the name, email address, and contact information as well. Alright, I hope this is pretty clear, guys. Yeah, okay. So now if I scroll up, let's try to make the ad better. Okay, so 1 second, guys. So we have 22 placements, media. If you click on media, click on edit option here. You just click on edit media here. Okay, so here you'll see there are options. So if you want to add more media, you can add more. Okay, crop, optimize, right? Okay, just click on next here. Yeah, so now this is the original ad created, right? Okay, so let's see if you want to say, so this is how Facebook is going to display optimizing your ad with advantage plus creative enhancement, right? This is the original creative. You can plus, you know, with music, you know, this is how it will show. With image template, you know, this is how it will show. Okay, once this is being viewed by you, then you have to click on done here. Yeah, okay, cool, guys. I hope this is pretty clear. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments. I would be happy to help you. Okay, now you'll understand more ChatGPT prompts, right? So before I conclude this session here, so I have shown you about headline here, right? Okay, so one ChatGPT prompt for headline. Now we'll understand the ChatGPT prompt, okay, for call to action here. Okay, so let's copy this here. Okay, 1 second, guys. Okay, just open ChatGPT over here. Yeah. So now what we'll do is just just copy this prompt here. Create a compelling call to action for limited time offer that urges target audience, okay, to cafe owners, okay, to specific action to sign up now. Okay, before the offer expires on POS system. Okay, so this is the ChatGPT prompt here. Alright, so what you have to do is just copy this over here. Okay, so this is the CTA. Attention cafe owners, don't miss out on this exclusive opportunity to revolutionize your business. Upgrade your POS system now with a limited time offer. Before it's too late, say goodbye to outdated system and hello to streamline efficiency. Sign up now to unlock a world of possibilities to your cafe. Okay, so this is the ChatGPT prompt, okay, to create CTAs. Alright, so and then we'll go for one more example here. Okay, now this is important. This prompt is very important, guys, for Facebook ads. Okay, so this is here it is. This is the template. Write a short ad using the following customer testimonial that highlights specific benefit of a service. Okay, what is the specific benefit here? Benefit of our POS system. Targeting cafe owners. Okay. Okay. Alright. Yeah, clear? Just copy this here. Copy this here. Okay, discovering, if you have to write cafe name, right, for the game changers. So this is kind of a testimonial prompt, right? This POS system not only streamlined operation but also boosted the sales significantly. With this intuitive interface and seamless integration, managing orders has never been easier. So this is the prompt for generating testimonials as well. Okay, so we'll understand more prompts here. So this is the descriptive ad copy here. Okay, so here it is. One more prompt you'll understand. So copy this. Okay, so I copy this here. Generate descriptive ad copy for high-tech gadgets, so for POS system. Okay, that appeals to cafe owners. Ad. Okay, so I copy this over here. Then you have to refine it in your own words. Attention cafe owners, say goodbye to processing fees and hello to increase profits with a cutting edge POS system. Revolutionize the way you do business without worrying about the pesky charges, eating your revenue with 0% processing fees. Every sale goes straight to your bottom line. Enjoy the freedom to grow your cafe without the financial burden. Elevate your business today with a hassle-free solution. Okay, so this is the ad copy here. Alright, guys. So this is something you have to keep in mind. Now you might be wondering how can you have more images, correct? So this is the question you might have, right? So you should use this tool designer.microsoft.com. Okay, So please use this tool. This is the AI tool for creating wonderful images here. Okay, so use this tool, design creator. Click on design creator, generate. So when you are creating the ad campaign, right, so it's all about images, right, it's all about videos, captions here. So I told you AI tools for text, right. So now you just write the prompt here, create images for Facebook ads on POS system targeting towards cafe owners. Okay, so you just click on generate over here. Okay, just click on generate. So this will create images for you. It's a fantastic tool. So I suggest guys that you have to use this tool as well. Okay. So now you can see there are a lot of images here, right? Okay, so which have been created. Okay, understood? So this is something amazing, guys. Fantastic tool here. Okay, so you could see a lot of images being created. Yes. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 images have been created. Right? Okay, so revolutionize your cafe here. So if you just click here, just click on customer design. Okay, and see how this goes. This okay, wow, this is wonderful. You know, this is a point of sale system. You know, this image has been created for you. Correct. So this is like awesome tool, guys. Right. So I suggest that you have to use for for your Facebook ads to create more wonderful images as well. Okay. So right. So you can use these images as well. Okay. I hope this is pretty clear. Now once you add more images here, okay, so let's say you copy this image here, okay, just copy, just click on download. If you want to change this image here, just click on download here. Okay, revolutionize your cafe here. Okay, so just scroll up, edit media. Here you have multiple options here, right? So if you want to say turn into video, so how this will go? So you have to upload more images here. So it will be a slideshow ad, correct? Okay. So let's say you upload one image here. You just go back to downloads. Okay. So let's upload this image here. We'll upload some more images from here as well. Yeah. Okay, so let's do that. Let's say if you want to upload this, correct? So then this is done, guys. Wow, this is interesting. Yeah, so this becomes this slideshow ad here, correct? So if you want to upload this, you can upload more images as well, right? Okay, this is the slideshow. So you just add a lot of images here, so it will become a slideshow ad. Okay, so I just click here. So make sure that we are uploading images right. Your height width should be perfect. So create video for 22 patients here. Okay, so you have to add a lot of images, so then it will become a slideshow ad here. Okay, so here you have multiple options: flexible templates, okay, square templates. Okay, so this is how it will be shown here. Vertical templates. Okay, so this is how you can do it. Okay, so to have a slideshow ad, you can integrate at least 10 to 15 images, and then you will click on save here. Okay, so which those images should be relevant to your business as well. Then you click on save. So here, as of now, we have only showed you an example on how you can use slideshow ad. Okay, so you can try this for sure, guys. This will really help you out. Okay, just click on cancel for now, then just click on publish, make the payment, click on publish, and your campaign goes live. All right, so then okay, so this is one tool I have told you today. So you can also try Canva. Okay, so you can just go back to Google here. Okay, you can just say create Facebook ads. Just enter this query, create Facebook videos ad. With Canva. Okay, just enter this query here. Okay, so now what happens is if you enter this query, you will directly go on this particular page. Okay, create a Facebook video ad here. So now you can also try creating video ads from here. Create a Facebook video ad, right? So you can also try Canva for video ad as well. Then you get to the customization part. I believe you guys are pretty sound enough to create wonderful videos, right? So you have to select your Facebook ads template here. Okay, so they have a lot of templates here. You can say POS system, because this is in relation to point of sale system as well. Okay, you just select a template here for now. Okay, you can just see if this is relevant. If you don't find it relevant, right, so what you have to do is just open page POS, enter the URL, just take the screenshot of this particular page here, print screen. Okay, print screen, go to MS Paint, Control V, just save this. Okay, download, face POS. Okay, so this is how then you can do the trimming part. You can remove all the unwanted sections from this particular image as well. So I'm just showing this for your reference as well. Okay, so okay, go back here. I'll just close the browser, guys. 1 second. Just click on upload here. Upload files. Okay, so here you have multiple options as well. Just upload, download. Okay, so this will get downloaded here, right? So this is how it is, correct? Then here you have options like images, videos, and audio. So you can do that as well, find out which is the most relevant one. Okay, so then you'll see videos here, correct, which are relevant and which are irrelevant here. Okay, so you can just check out which are relevant here. Okay, you can search uploads here. You just say POS system for now. Okay, so there are no videos, right? So now in that case, what you have to do is you have to go to Pexels or Unsplash. Okay, click on videos, search for free videos, POS systems. Okay, so here you can download this video here. Let's say you can download this video from here. Okay, and just deploy it here as well in Canva. Okay, so I believe you all know how to create videos in Canva, so I'll not go in detail about this, but you can create a nice Facebook video ad from Canva. This is I wanted to show it to you as well. Okay, so click on downloads. So here you will have that particular file. Okay, so guys, so I believe this is how I've tried to add value. Okay, so I believe you have understood what I'm trying to convey here when you're creating Facebook ads, what are the key parameters. So before I conclude this session here, okay, so let me show you what are the key parameters. Okay, so your Facebook lead generation campaign. Okay, so what is important here is, okay, most important pointer is your Facebook ad setup. Structure your campaign properly. Okay, then what you have to do is install the Facebook, it's called pixel code, on the right page. Okay, so that's dedicated landing page to track custom conversions. Start your Facebook ads campaign by testing with lookalike audience and custom audience. Okay, so start with lookalike audience for better conversions. Okay, when you're starting the campaign, start with brand awareness, start with multiple campaign objectives. Like, let's just start with brand awareness, then engagement, then traffic, then leads generation. So let's say if you have a budget of say 50,000 rupees, okay, for this campaign. So there are multiple campaign objectives, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's say you keep 12,500 as the budget here. So 12,500, 12,500. Okay, 12,500. So you can just divide this, right? Okay. All right. Then what you can do is, so it's almost like, it's 15 and 15, 30. So okay, you have a budget of, so keep this is here as this is the campaign budget of 30,000. Okay, 30k. Then test this campaign for 7 days. Okay, so this campaign is a learning period. Okay, once the learning period gets over, you have remaining balance of 20k. Okay, so start a new campaign, or you can continue with the same campaign. Okay, what is more important here, guys? See, when you are setting up a Facebook campaign, right, for lead generation, okay, so important here is you have to test with multiple creatives and multiple captions. Okay, so you can test with image ad, test with video ad creative. Okay, so you can test with slideshow ad. Okay, then you can also test with carousels as well. Then you can test with multiple captions as well. Once you do the testing, you will find the winning combination. Winning combination comes with patience, testing, and optimization, and ongoing optimization. Alright guys, I hope this is pretty clear. So I hope I have given you a lot of value in this session as well, so you can see all the pointers, right? So these are the pointers here, okay, right? So please go through it, okay? So ad setup, structuring properly, okay? So if, when you're structuring properly, you can say in one campaign you can start with one ad set for now. In one ad set you can have two ads. In one ad you can have three video ad creators, three creators, okay, each, okay. In those three creatives you can start with video ad, then you can start with carousels and image ads. Now I would like to add a last pointer, right? This is very important when you're doing a Facebook ad campaign. What is important is you have to do thorough competitor research, okay? Okay, so how are you going to do this? You're going to do this using Facebook ad library to find which ad is the most winning ad copy. Okay, so go back to Facebook ad library here. Okay, so I just click on ad library over here. Right, okay, so if you are in ad library, you just select your target country here. I'll say here as United States. Okay, so I'll just do that. Ad category, you select all ads, search by keyword or advertiser. You can search by keyword here as POS system. So this is how you can find the ads for POS systems as well. Okay, you will find a lot of ads here. Okay, so just study the competitors ad, which one is going better. Okay, this is search by keyword. Okay, you can find a lot of ads here, correct? So this is once you have ideas about creators for captions, right? Or you can search by competitor. I'll see here Toast POS. This is one of the competitor. Okay, okay, so you see how competitors are creating content here, right? When it comes to video art, creative captions, everything. Or you can see one more, start slice. Yeah, so this is how it is. See slice merchant services. Okay, so see, this is the image ad they are creating. It's properly done. Why share your profit with merchant processing companies? They have used these nice ad here. Okay, so they have used the images here as well, 0% transaction fee. So this is how you can get ideas from your competitor ads as well, right? Okay, so if I just scroll down here, so see where it takes apply now. If you just see the landing page, okay, so you understand how this has been created here, correct? Okay, so this is the amazing landing page, right? Start slice here, right? Okay, yeah, got it. I hope this is pretty easy to understand. Now see guys, if I am on the competitors landing page, so what you can see here, see now this is a dedicated landing page and the competitor has integrated the metapixel code on this particular page. So it is telling me that Metapixel helper has access to this particular site. So this is how I have shown you